Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Beyond the Formula. In the previous video, we had solved a pre-RMO 2017 question. Today we will be solving a JEE Advanced 2018 question, right? So this question is based on combinatorics or permutation and combinations as JEE students call it. So let's take some time and just understand the question, or you can pause it and try it for yourself. And please don't forget to write the answer in the comment box and check at the end of the video if you are right. Anyway, let's begin. So the number of 5-digit numbers which are divisible by 4 with digits from the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and repetition of digits is allowed. It's not like those kind of questions where you use factorial and stuff, right? You can use all the digits here. So let's just imagine that this is the number, right? So divisible by 4, what does this mean? Anybody remembers the divisibility rule of 4? That means that the last two digits must be divisible by 4. From this set, how many 2-digit numbers can we make that are divisible by 4? Let's start manually doing it because that seems the only correct way. From 1 we can only make 12. From 2 we can only make 24. From 3 we can only make 32. From 4 we can only make 44. And from 5 we can make 52. And yeah, that pretty much seems like it, right? Seems like it, because we don't have a 6 and onwards, because 56 and 60 don't work. So these are our 5 numbers that we have to use. These two numbers have to be placed at the end, right? So let us scroll down a bit and let us create 5 cases. Okay, let's just begin one by one. Actually, seems like a better way. So let us start by saying that 12 is if 12 are last 2 digits, right? This is our first case. We're going to assume, I'm going to write this as C1, case 1. So if 12 are the last 2 digits, that means that the last 2 places occupy like one place each. This can only be filled in one way, which is 2, and this can only be filled in one way, which is 1. That leaves us with the rest of the 5 digits which we can use. So in the first place can be filled with 5, second as well, and third as well. So from this we totally get the total is going to be 5 cube, which is equal to 125, right? This is from case 1. Similarly, case 2, if 24 are last 2, right? 24, then what do we get? Similarly, let's just do it. From here again, the last digit is taken by 4, which is one way only. Second last place is taken by 2. Again, only one way to fill this. Now again, no repetition, so we can just use all the digits. So total again, from this we get another 125 permutations of this under the given condition. Case 3, where 32 are the last, right? Similarly again. So you can see something. You don't need to do it one by one, but I'm doing it so that you understand here. This again gives us 5 cube, but you know that there are only 5 numbers, so we can just multiply 5 cube into 5, which is going to be 625, and that is the correct answer. But I like to explain it so that you understand it clearly. Similarly here as well. This is the fourth case where the last 2 digits are 44. This is going to be 5 cube again, 125. And case 5, where 52 are the last 2 digits. If 52 are occupying these last 2 places, so the last 2, 1 and 1 way only. This can be 5 ways, this can be done in 5 ways, this can be done in 5 ways. This 5 cube is equal to 125. So from here we have exhausted all our cases, because we have done this, we've done this, and this. So now what I think we just have to add them up. It's that simple. C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5. What is it going to be? 125 times 5 is equal to 625. So 625 was the correct answer for this JEE Advanced 2018 question. We have done it so systematically, and I mean, this is a really good question. It is logical. We don't need any fancy stuff to be applied here. And yeah, I mean, these kind of questions are like good questions. So if you like this kind of content, if you want more of it, please don't forget to subscribe. Go check out our other playlists of JEE Advanced questions, pre-RMO questions, Maths Olympiad questions. A lot of the stuff is there for you. It is like it's going to be heaven for you if you go check it out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.